Hello everybody, and welcome to Unity Navigation Fundamentals. I'm Dano Kablamo. I'm a music and sound designer and Unity developer, and I'm happy to be able to show you the basics of navigation in Unity. Traditional navigation in video games is complex and computationally expensive. Building a traditional navigation system is out of the scope of most indie game developers. Thankfully, Unity has us covered. Prerequisites for this course include elementary knowledge of Unity, such as creating game objects, adding components, and elementary knowledge of C# script, such as creating scripts and interacting with scripts in Unity. Here are a few of the things we're going to be creating in this course. So here's our dwarf hero, and he can go anywhere you tell him to go via click. And as you can see, he's got many little friends that follow him around, but they don't get in his way. He can push them around thanks to the priority setting. That block he can just knock off, but this is a true obstacle. He has to find a way around it. He can make little hops off the side and go back up with ease. Here's an enemy that takes his job as a patroller very seriously. He'll go from one point to the next, but if he sees me come along, he'll definitely give me a chase. And here's an enemy. And here's an enemy patroller who, if he gets too close to me, he'll start attacking. We're also going to use the new NavMesh component system to create some things that were never possible with the old system. And we're going to teach this NavMesh agent to make the choice between whether he wants to get wet or cross a really long bridge. In this course, we're going to cover NavMesh baking, where we build NavMeshes out of scene geometry. Then we will cover the NavMesh agent, the main way to navigate the NavMesh, which will also include parabolic jumping and waypoint patrolling. We will then program advanced AI, such as enemy eyesight, tracking, and memory. Next, we'll cover NavMesh obstacles, and we'll learn to block agents with obstacles and force agents to recalculate their path with carving. Then, we'll define some NavMesh areas. We'll have higher and lower cost areas to give agents a preference on which paths to take. Next, we'll cover the new NavMesh building components so we can build custom advanced NavMeshes. This is usually a separate download, but we're including it in the Unity package for this project. To get the latest version, you can visit github.com/unitytechnologies/navmeshcomponents.